Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to play Fortnite without downloading it on your device. This method is perfect if you don't have enough storage or if your PC or mobile can't handle the full game. To start, open your web browser and go to xbox.com/play. This is Microsoft's Xbox Cloud gaming platform. Log in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have it. Once logged in, type Fortnite in the search bar and click on the game. The best part? Fortnite is completely free to play even through the cloud. Now just connect a compatible controller or use touch controls if you're on a mobile device, then press play. The game will launch instantly through the cloud. No downloads or installations required. Just make sure you have a strong internet connection since it streams directly from the server. And that's it! You can enjoy Fortnite anytime, anywhere, without ever downloading it. Subscribe the channel for more videos.